Okay, good day everyone. I'm sure this is our first class without meeting, so I'm sorry for doing this late. But either ways, we'll kick off, and I just hope you're able to get it and understand it. So we've been on CSS now, and I just want to do a new file so we can just have it like a little summary of what we've done. So let me just name this anything. Just give it read.html, right? Then I'm in. So the first thing we all know is this. Alright, so I just want to lead to something. So I'll start with div. So the div will be what will contain it. I'll give it an ID of container. So moving forward, I'll just cut it. So this is the HTML part of what I'm doing now. So then inside I'll give another div. I want this to be text. So I'll just call it text. I'll give it an ID of text. Then I'll just use lorem to give me what do I call this? I'll use lorem to give me random text. Let's do 50 words. So that's it there. So the next thing, okay, so let's just start from this first. Let's start from this. So let me run so that we'll see it. Because of this stuff, I'll not be able to run it like that. So I'll be doing an internal CSS. So we all know how the internal CSS works. It works, you write it in the head section. So you start with the style, then break it, then that's just it. So you know we did background color, right? We had background color. Let's do background color. Sorry, you have to pick. Let's do the container ID. Use hash, then container. But let's do it in the body, the whole of the body. So the whole of the body has the stuff. So background color now. Background color. Remember, blue. Remember how this worked, right? So so you can have the background image too. Yes, you can have background image, just like you have background, you know, some sites you have an image as the background. So let's do something with background image. So let's do background image. You have it here already. So you have to declare the URL. As the URL is just like when you want to work with image in HTML, you know, you have to use source to declare the path. So for CSS, you use URL to declare the path. So let's just do this. I'm not sure I need to do this. So just image. Okay. So that's not textures. Where am I right now? One more is the extension. Control Z. So you have to know where you are first. This is CSS, this is outside CSS. So this is funny. So it's outside. So it's even outside dextrous page, because I want to pick image from the dextrous page. Yeah. So let's just come back here. So dextrous page. So like I said earlier, it's better you just you just do what do I call it, you just put it in same folder, so you'll not be going through all this that I'm going through right now. Should be here, I don't have any issues with here. So let me just move it. Let's see if I can move it inside here. Yeah, let's move it. So we've moved this now, it should be easier to get. So I have the image now. I just use, I'm looking for, let me use this logo, so we'll just see. Now let me run it. So I already did auto save, so it will save it automatically. Sorry about that. Edge. So it should run now. So this is the background image I used. So that we can differentiate it from the background of the background. So to do that, we have an ID already. So let's just, for ID, use hash, and the stuff is text. Then my curly brackets, enter. So let's give it a background image. Background color. Let's just give it something warm. Let's add some margin, and let's see. So let's give a margin of let's say 10 pixel. So now let's see. So the margin is outside the box, right? So outside, it gives extra space outside. So that's what margin does. So let's do padding too. Padding 10 pixel. So now watch what happens here. So it gives space left, right, up, down. That's because we only gave one ticket here, and we have the padding. You can have padding up, padding left, padding right, and padding bottom, like that. Let me show you. We have padding. So this is it. This is padding left, padding right, padding top, padding bottom. But instead of that, you can also, instead of doing all this, that's selecting it 1 1 and giving a digit, you can this line, this padding line and 10 pixels shows that you are giving all the sides, the top, the bottom, the left, the right, you are giving them 10 pixel. But if you now want to give, okay, you want to give up and down 10 pixel, and you want to give left and right another different pixel, so all you just have to do is, the first one is for the up down, and the second part, this is what I did now, second part is for the left right. So now let's see how it looks. Now watch, let me refresh. So the 5 is for the left right, the 10 remains for the up down. Let me increase the left right so you can see it much better. Let's give it 20. Now let's refresh it. So you see, so when you give it 2 like that, 2 this is 1, this is 2. So this is the first one is for the up and down, and the other part is for the left and right. Same as margin. If I wanted to give a different margin for up and down and a different one for the left and right, I'll just do the same thing. Then you can go further to giving different for the left, different for the right, different from the up, different from the down. So to do that, you just have to give 4 of the stuff. So I just do like 10 pixel for up, 10 pixel for right. It goes in a clockwise direction. So it starts from the up, then goes to right, then it goes to bottom, then it goes to left, like that. So like that, like this. So you have 10 pixel for the up, 10 pixel for the right, 10 pixel for the down, and 10 pixel for the left. So I hope you understand this. So this same procedure that I did for padding, you can also do it for margin. You can also have the up and down together and the left and right together, and you can also have everything separate. That's you'll be having 4 different values, just like I had 10 in 4 places for the up, right, bottom, and left. So that's that about the margin and the padding. So we also did if you remember, we did text properties, where you have the text, decoration, and the rest. So I'll not be doing that here. We also did font properties, when you had the color to color the font, you had the font family, you had the font size, and that. So I'll just be moving further to border. We did border the other day, but let me just do it again. So the border properties, we have the border style, we have the color, border color, we have a lot. We have border radius, and so on, border spacing. So let's just start with the border style. So we have dash, we have dotted, we have double, we have grooved, and so on. So let me do dashed. So let's run it now and see. So I gave the border to the text. So let me refresh it so you can see. So this is it. You have this. So this is the dashed style I gave it. So you have the border dashed style. Then we also have you have different styles, so you can just select the style you want and see how it looks like. So we have border color too. You have the border color. So let me just give it something that matches the color I have there. I have this color here, aquamarine. So let me just do yellow. So now let's go and see what it looks like. So this is it. So that's that. Then you can also have now you have border itself. So here in the border you can give it the size you want. So let me give it 5 pixel and let's see how it looks. So you see the slashed liner Attica, because I gave it a size of 5. But if 5 pixel. So that's that about the border. So I've shown us you can add a background image. That's to the background. Not, there's a difference between background image and putting a background, an image rather. There's a difference between a background image and an ordinary image. So you remember how to put an ordinary image, you put it in the HTML section, as in the body. But now background image, you put it in the CSS section. So it could be inline, it could be internal or external. So that's that about that. Now let's see our page again. So this is what we have here. So yeah, we have the div, the text area. Then we added margin. Margin is what gave it space here and here. And we also added padding. Padding is what gave it space inside here, up, down, left, right. Then this is the text, and we gave border. We gave it border color and the style, and we also gave it the border size, which was 5 pixel. Then this is the background image. I hope you understand this. So I'll be dropping another one soon. Okay, so this is the output. So I was not able to run it. While coding, because I'm recording using a software, so it does not allow me to move from one software to another while recording. So this is the output. This is the background image I added, and this is the text I added. So I have the border. This is the style. I styled it, gave it a color and a size. So this is how the output looks like. I hope we understand it. So the margin, this is the margin outside the div, outside the text div. This is it here too. Then the padding is what gives space between the text and the edge of the div. So that's why I gave it a color, so we can see all this. So that's that. I hope you understand.